Welcome to GK Shorthand School Kolar. English Shorthand Dictation Passage 100 words per minute intermediate grade May 2002 by Vellala Chandrasekhar, GK Institute of Commerce Kolar. Start. Yes, get ready, start. Chairman, I am happy that I have been invited for the 14th annual general body meeting of the society to discuss the welfare of the society in the coming years. On this occasion, I have been offered an opportunity to express my views on this day. At this juncture, I, being the founder member of this society, like to share with you all my personal experience during past 5 years. As founder member of the society, I have all these years not faced any problem in the society on account of honesty, and I have no desire whatsoever to create a problem today. Similarly, I have not violated any official rules of the society all these years, nor I have any intention of violating it today, but there is a moral question before me. These directors have taken a unanimous decision, and in accordance with it, I am not in a director to attend the meeting of the board of directors. During past 12 months, I have participated in the discussions and given necessary guidance. This unanimous decision was taken by the board when I was not present in that meeting. Similarly, the unanimous decision that I should participate in today's general body meeting was also taken in my absence. I must honor that decision or reject it, having worked for so many years together and having received a written communication from them that they have the oral approval to their action from the departmental authorities. It is not proper for me to disregard them or look down upon their decision. It is for this reason alone that I have come here. I have not come either to action the society's property nor to action my self-respect. If it is the opinion of all of you that I should not sit and participate in this meeting or in the activities of the society from now onwards, please say so. I will honor it 100% and say goodbye to all of you. I am happy that I have been able to serve you all these years, though I do not know to what extent you are happy about it. Nevertheless, I will repeat that I am happy and leave this place immediately. So you must given a decision. I have come here to this meeting honoring the decision taken by the board of directors, and if you want to oppose it, I have no objection, and I am not canvassing for its acceptance. However, for the only reason that today's meeting should not be interrupted on account of me, I have been sitting on the dais by honoring the decision of the board. Therefore, you must give a decision so as to enable this body to take a step in the right direction. Before taking on the subjects on the agenda, the President passed a resolution that the former member of the society shall without fail must be invited for the annual general body meeting, and he should be given an opportunity to express his views on the present function of the society. Explaining the position, the President viewed that whenever amendments are brought forward in the interest of the society and its members, the suggestion of the authorities concerned in the cooperative department are obtained as far as possible. According to their advice, the society can, by making suitable amendments to the bylaw, avail the services of experts if felt it necessary. On behalf of the Board of Directors, leader of the Union expressed his opinion that although there was a little conflict at the beginning of the meeting, all the subjects listed in the agenda have been discussed in detail and important decisions have been taken. In conclusion, I would like to thank all the participants of the society, home guards, police for extending their kind cooperation for peaceful conduct of annual general body meeting, and also Sri Raju sound system, and also those ministerial staff who have worked day and night and made proper arrangements for the grand success of annual meeting. At this juncture, I thank the former member on the special occasion for announcing a cash award for the outstanding students of 10th standard. Dear sir, we are in receipt of your letter dated 5th March 1999 along with a draft for rupees 10,000 towards previous bill which was delayed by 2 months. Please note that we have no alternative except to levy interest at the rate of 10% on belated payments. However, as you are aware, our valued customers, and you have been in good business terms, this time we are not going to levy any interest provided you make the payment within the stipulated time. In this connection, we are happy to inform you that we have just released to buy to the open market our new product Anand ceiling fans. This fan looks to be very attractive in design and workmanship. We have also released table fans for our esteemed customers. These fans, having 3 and 4 blades, give highest air at lesser cost. As we have limited stock of goods at present, we advise you to place your orders at the earliest. As in our business practice, we give special discount for our old and valued customers who place bulk orders as quickly as possible. On this occasion, we would like to state that your attitude in early transactions is not in good taste. You have never expressed any displeasure about the quality at the first instance, but you have complained about the quality after the goods have been used, and that too when we asked for early payment. As a firm of repute, this attitude on your part is highly objectionable, and such repeated attitude may affect business relations with you. We hope and trust that you will understand our position also, as we have invested huge amount on this business. In future, we request you kindly to make payment at the earliest. Yours faithfully. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share. Thanking you.